Hello everyone, I am Sham. Welcome back to our channel, The Truth of India. Our website is thetruthofindia.com, times of neobharat.com. For more details, please log in the website. Today we are talking about Xiaomi's best budget smartphone. It's going to rock the Indian market. Yes, I am talking about Redmi Note 15. If you are looking for a best budget smartphone with beautiful design, camera, performance, battery, and affordable price, then great news for you. Xiaomi is going to launch its next generation budget smartphone Redmi Note 15 with 108 MP camera on 6 January 2026. The Redmi Note series has always been known for offering flagship-like features at a budget price. From Redmi 10 to Note 13, Xiaomi has continuously improved camera quality, performance, and design. Now, with Redmi Note 15, expectations are even higher, especially after the success of Note 14 series. The launch date and availability. Redmi Note 15 is confirmed to launch on 6 January. After launch, it is expected to be available through online retailer Amazon, Flipkart, and MI official store, both online and offline store. Let's check about the design and build quality. Redmi Note 15 is expected to come with premium glass back design and slim lightweight body. We may see flat edges with a modern look, center punch hole display, new color option with matte finish. Overall, the design will feel more premium than its price segment. Display details. Talking about the display, Redmi 15 is expected to feature 6.67-inch AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, Full HD plus resolution, high brightness for outdoor visibility. The display will perfect for gaming, Netflix, YouTube, and daily use. Performance and processor. In terms of performance, Redmi Note 15 is expected to be powered by Snapdragon or MediaTek Dimensity processor, built on an efficient architecture for battery life. You can expect smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and better thermal management. This phone will easily handle BGMI, Call of Duty, and asphalt. Camera setup, camera levels. This part is important. Redmi Note 15 expected to come with 108 MP primary camera, ultra-wide sensor, macro and depth sensor. Camera features may include night mode, AI photography, 4K video recording. For selfie, a high quality front camera will ensure sharp photo and clear video calls. Redmi 15 is really a blessing for photography lover, especially through smartphone. You will enjoy the DSLR-like photography experience through Redmi Note 15. Now come to the battery power. Redmi Note 15 expected to be powered by 5000 mAh or more battery life. Fast charging support, 67-watt fast charging. Full day battery backup, quick charging, less than an hour. Perfect for heavy uses. Software and features. Latest Android version, Xiaomi HyperOS MIUI upgrade. Other features may include in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speaker, 5G connectivity, IR blaster. The expected price of this cool device. Now the most important question is price segment. The Redmi Note 15 is expected to be priced around 15,000 to 20,000 depending on variant. At this price, it could be one of the best value for money smartphone of 2026. Final verdict: should you want, should you wait, or if you are planning to buy a new smartphone in January, Redmi Note 15 definitely worth waiting for. It offers you premium design, powerful performance, excellent camera, strong battery life. So friends, this is our complete preview for Redmi Note 15 launching on 6 January. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below and tell us, are you excited for Redmi Note 15 or not? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks so much.